welcome back to my channel. So today's video is exciting because it's going to be a DIY gallery wall video. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how I make two different gallery walls in my home and also how I hang them up. So I found a really easy way to do this, so I hope that you guys will enjoy this video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Paula. I make videos on beauty, on fashion, and lifestyle. So I hope that you'll hit that red subscribe button, that way you're notified when I post a new video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So this first gallery wall is for our living room, and basically I got these frames at Target and I printed some pictures of us from Shutterfly. So all I really used was some command strips and a measuring tape and a pencil. These command strips are literally a lifesaver. They are great if you don't want to make any holes in your walls, or you don't want to ruin your walls, or if you like to switch your frames out periodically. This is good. You can easily remove them without damaging your wall. So I love these command strips. They are literally the best thing ever. These are the large ones that are for 16-pound frames. So what you do is you just peel off the command strip on one side, and then you stick it onto your frame wherever you want. And I first laid 4 command strips on the frame, just 2 on each side, and I just wanted to add some extra support just because these are a little bit more on the heavy side. So that's what I did. And then once you have 4 laid down, what you're gonna do is you're gonna actually lay another command strip on top of each one. So they actually stick together like Velcro, so you can easily snap the other command strip on top of the first one. And then all you do is peel off the top of the second one, and then they're ready to hang. So I'll leave links down below of where you can access these command strips, and then also where you can purchase these frames and where you can order your photos. Wanted to make sure that all of my frames were evenly spaced out. Now, of course, your gallery wall is totally up to you. You could definitely make it more creative, or you can keep it uniform like I did. But basically what I did is I just measured the distance between the bottom row with the top one, and I just kind of figured out where I wanted to place them, and then I just marked a little bit on the wall just so I knew exactly where I needed to place it. And then from there I went ahead and just stuck it on the wall, and then you do have to add some force to it just to make sure it stays on quite nicely. Then after, what I did is just I double checked again to make sure it was even on both sides and that it wasn't crooked or anything. That's what I did with all 6 of them. So it was fairly easy, and I love the way that they turned out, and they just add a lot of color to this gray wall. And then I also created another gallery wall in my office. These frames are a little bit lighter than the other ones, so I just used 2 for these and then just hung them up on the wall. And I do plan to add a little bit more to this wall, but basically I love the way that they turned out, and these command strips are super easy to use, so I definitely recommend them. So that was everything for this video. I hope that you all enjoyed. Let me know what you thought about it in the comments down below. Also leave me any type of DIY suggestions, anything you want me to create down below as well, so I know to film it. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Remember, you're all beautifully and wonderfully made, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.